How to activate Canva student account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your app store. Once you are in this page, in the search bar, search for Canva student. Head over to this app. Right here, you have to install this application on your device. Wait for a while for it to complete the downloading process. Once the app has been installed on your device, simply open it. Tap on Canvas Network at the bottom right corner of the screen. Wait for a while for it to load. It will land you on the page where you'll be able to log into your specific account. But as we're looking forward on activating the Canvas student account, click on Need a Canvas student. Now, once again click on I am a student, and then it will land you on this page. So in order to activate your account, you have to fill up this information. First of all, enter your join code, your full name, enter the username, and then create a password for your account. For the confirmation, re-enter the password and then click on this checkbox. Also click on this checkbox where it says I'm not a robot. Once you have entered all the information, tap on Start Learning at the bottom right corner. After that, your account will be successfully activated, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can activate Canva student account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.